Mirror Android phone to PC. Easy steps. Mirroring your Android phone to a PC can be useful for presentations, gaming, or accessing mobile apps on a larger screen. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you achieve this. Prerequisites. 1. Android device. Ensure your Android phone or tablet supports screen mirroring, usually found in the settings menu under Display or Connected Devices. 2. Windows PC. Make sure your PC and Android device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Method 1. Using Vysor via USB. 1. Download and install Vysor. On your PC, download Vysor from the official website www.vysor.io and install it. Enable USB debugging on your Android device. Go to Settings, About Phone, tap Field Number 7 times to enable developer options. Go back to Settings, Developer Options, enable USB debugging. Connect your Android device to your PC via a USB cable. 2. Launch Vysor. Open Vysor on your PC. It should detect your connected Android device automatically. 3. Mirror your Android screen. Click on your device name within Vysor to start mirroring. Your Android screen should now appear on your PC screen. You can interact with your Android device using your PC's mouse and keyboard. And before we proceed, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Method 2. Using a Power Mirror via Wi-Fi. 1. Download and install a Power Mirror. Download a Power Mirror on both your Android device from Google Play Store and your PC. www.apowersoft.com/phone mirror. Launch a Power Mirror on both devices. 2. Connect via Wi-Fi. On your Android device, open a Power Mirror and tap the blue M button. A Power Mirror will search for available devices. Tap on your PC's name when it appears. Number 3. Mirror your Android screen. Tap Start Now on your Android device to initiate the mirroring process. Your Android screen should now be mirrored on your PC. Method 3. Using your phone manufacturer's software. Some Android phone manufacturers offer their own software for screen mirroring, such as Samsung Smart View or Xiaomi's Mi PC Suite. Here's a generic outline. 1. Download and install manufacturer's software. Visit your phone manufacturer's official website and download their screen mirroring software. Example, Samsung Smart Switch or Samsung phones. 2. Connect your devices. Follow the software's instructions to connect your Android device to your PC via Wi-Fi or USB. 3. Mirror your screen. Launch the software on your PC and follow the on-screen prompts to mirror your Android screen. Tips for better experience. Ensure both your Android device and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network for smoother mirroring. Adjust the resolution settings in the mirroring software to optimize display quality. For gaming or videos, connect your PC to external speakers or use headphones for better audio. By following these steps, you should be able to mirror your Android phone or tablet to your PC seamlessly, enabling a more versatile and enjoyable computing experience. In the closing moments of our journey together on YouTube, let us embrace the magic that resides in every corner of our shared digital universe. As the screen fades to a gentle glow, let these words resonate. Within the pixels of the screen, we've woven dreams, shared laughter, and found inspiration. Each click, each comment, each video watch has connected us in ways that transcend the digital realm. For here, in the boundless expanse of creativity, we've discovered that magic isn't just a trick of light, but a spark that ignites our hearts with wonder and possibility. Let this ending be a reminder that amidst the vastness of the internet, we have built bridges of understanding, forged communities of support, and lifted each other higher. As we part our ways, let us carry forward the spirit of curiosity, kindness, and creativity that makes our online world shine. So whether you are a creator, a viewer, or simply a wanderer in this digital landscape, know that your presence has made a difference. Together, we've turned pixels into poetry and stories into shared experiences. Thank you for being a part of this magical journey. May your days be filled with light, laughter, and the boundless joy of discovery. Keep dreaming, keep creating, and remember, the magic lives on, within and beyond the screen. Dream big and dare to fail.